What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Degen Alpha. I am your host, Taco, here. It is a beautiful, beautiful Monday morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day. Smash that like button. Let's get some more people in here. Let's see who's in the chat right now. We got Nicole Menace Tater. We got Manawak, Jason, Michael. How you guys doing this wonderful Monday evening? I hope you're doing well. Me and Manawak had a pretty awesome day yesterday golfing. About 5 minutes from here at Cobblestone. We were playing with a 9-year-old prodigy who we'll probably see on the PGA Tour in about 10 years. I kid you not. This kid was 9 years old. He had his dad who was like his official caddy. He had like the range seeker. He had like 3 fans going. The kid was he was amazing. He was amazing. Better than me. So if you like golf, or if you don't like golf, I recommend at least trying, because once you hit that first sweet golf hit, you're gonna be hooked. All right. Let's check out the markets. Let's get the most current numbers. How's it going, Alexandra G with the lab coat? All right. Are you a doctor? All right. We are currently up. The total market cap is at 2.55 trillion, up 1.19%. Nothing to go crazy about. Bitcoin is sitting just under $70,000 at $69,753, up barely 0.19%. Ethereum sitting at $3,685, down 2.11% on the week. Tether just cannot find that $1 peg, but I guess that's close enough. BNB showing strength above $600, sitting at $647, still up for the week, 3.77. What up, Meta? How's it going, my friend? Solana showing a little bit of weakness, sitting at $161. USDC under $1 as well, but I mean, close enough. We'll take it. As long as it's not like 90 cents or 80 cents, we will take a $0.9999 USDC. All right, XRP is holding on by a thread above 50 cents. Dogecoin sitting at 14 cents, down 8.49%. Maybe a good opportunity to get into some Dogecoin. Toncoin sitting at the 9 spot, up 8.61% on the week. Cardano, some news coming out about Cardano we're going to talk about in this show. Up 0.81% on the day, sitting at 44 cents. All right, let's check out the top gainers. All right, so yeah, I saw this one this morning. Any Mantra holders in the chat? Anyone know about Mantra? They're having a good day, up almost 11%, up 16.68 on the week. And let's check out this project, because if it's in the top 100, that means that it's a top crypto token, and it just peaked into the top 100. So let's see what this Mantra token is all about. Bringing the world's financial ecosystem on chain. Mantra is a security-first, real-world asset, layer 1 blockchain, capable of adherence to real-world regulation requirements. Okay, so it said it's a layer 1 blockchain. However, the only available contracts at the moment are on Ethereum, Polygon, and BNB Smart Chain. So maybe they're going to be coming out with their blockchain in the future. I'm not sure, but that is not adding up currently. Let's see if we can learn anything else. Permissionless chain for permissioned applications, for builders, for traders. Okay. Guard module. Leverage verified on-chain users and dApps powered by DIDs for seamless identity verification across dApps with the IBC. I believe IBC stands for Inter-Blockchain Communication. Let's see. Oh my God, it's almost like I do this for a living. Inter-Blockchain Communication. So they are going to be able to communicate with different blockchains, as they should. Empowering developers and users, reduces costs and complexities for both projects and retail users alike. All right, know your counterparty. Reduces costs and complexities for both projects and retail users alike. Low cost and fast. Okay. Application first protocol. Get access to DEXs, yield-bearing vaults, and real-world asset tokenization platforms from day one. Build on a battle-tested chain. All right, so it's built on the Cosmos software developer kit. That is pretty good, pretty good. Oh, it's the BitLab raid. What's going on, BitLab? Smash that like button. I'm glad you guys are here, coming over from Kelly Kellum in the BitLab Academy. Love it, love it. Glad you guys can join us today at Degen Alpha. You know what? Let's just hop right into it. If you are not a follower, what are you doing? Follow our X account, Degen Alpha Show on X. And if you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. And if you're still on X here, give me a follow. Crypto_taco01, the one and only. I peaked over 4,100. Let's see if I can go to 42. I want to get my followers up. There you see DZ and his fiance. We were at VCon. I'm wearing my VCon sweatshirt. I love this sweatshirt. It's got like patches on it. They're like legit patches. It's a nice sweatshirt. Gary V, he knows how to make merchandise. Not so much a successful NFT project, but merch, check that box off. I mean, I kid, but while we're on the topic, let's check out the V-Friends, see how they're doing. Ooh. Yeah, these things were sitting about an ETH, V-Friends Series 2. Now they're at 0.05, and the OG V-Friends were well above 1 ETH, and now they're sitting at 0.65. If you go to activity, we can really get into the numbers here. Yeah, look at that chart. That is ugly. Ugh, God. I hope he has some magic up his sleeves so he can turn the project around. His conferences are really fun. They attract a lot of Web3 folks. Even some celebrities who are getting into Web3 and just that business side of things. But yeah, these things were selling in April of 2022 for over 21 Ethereum. So either it's a buy opportunity or the project is dead. I am going to go with, oh man, it's really a tough one. I mean, I believe in Gary V, but he's a man of trends. When Web3 became the word Web3, like Web2, bridging the gap between Web2 and Web3 back in like the previous bull market, he got away with a lot of pretty much that advertising and pretty much shilling NFTs like they're going to solve world hunger. I don't know about all that, but I know NFTs do have utility and use case. Obviously, like event tickets, it's a perfect fit. Maybe you own a piece of a company and your NFT represents that piece. Getting where I see NFTs actually being useful, they're almost like an added bonus. Like you buy a piece of merchandise and you get an NFT for free. And that way you don't have any exposure to the NFT. Like you had to buy it, you get it for free, and then hopefully it increases in value. That's what Andrew Tate actually did. So maybe take a lesson out of his book. All right, let's keep it going. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Let's see what else catches our eye. All right, Oasis Rose is up 10.32%, the biggest gainer at this moment, of 15.85% over the week here. What is Rose? I remember about 2 years ago it was brought to my attention, but what is it? This is what we do on this channel. We like to see what these cryptos actually are, what they do, and if they're actually useful, or are they just a token that people hold. So far, the Oasis... Oh, whoa, here we go. There we go. All right. Smart privacy for Web3 and AI. Build better dApps require smarter privacy. Build, whatever, however you want to say it, a better Web3 on the only confidential EVM in production. So it looks like they're going for a privacy layer. They've got this like interactive website. As you scroll, it changes. I'm bearish on those type of websites. Just show me the data. I don't need a pretty whatever. All right. Pioneering Web3 and AI privacy, smart privacy, scalable and secure, interoperability by design. I could decipher this. Can you? Consensus layer obviously goes into the Paradigm 1, Paradigm 2 compute layer, and then you get the cipher, which is the WASM I'm just kidding. I have no idea what this means, but it looks cool. Leverage the only confidential EVM for Web3 and AI. All right, so it's going for like confidentiality, but what about this one? Data ownership protocol. Bringing selective transparency to Ethereum using zero knowledge proofs, DOP allows you to decide what crypto assets and transactions you wish to make public. So, I mean, privacy, transparency, it should be a human right. It should be incorporated into blockchain technology, although the powers that be don't like when you don't make everything public. So I'm waiting for this protocol to come out. I actually got into the private round for it, or the seed round, or the pre-sale round, whatever you want to call it. But that was months ago, and the token hasn't come out yet. I mean, it is available. It's sitting in my wallet, but there's no liquidity pool to trade it to and from. So essentially, it's worthless until that happens. So waiting on that. If you know someone over at DOP, tell them that the community is getting restless. They want their token to have value. All right, let's keep it going. So Oasis, another privacy layer. That's pretty cool. Monero, that's a privacy seeker. Privacy blockchain for private transactions. All right, so we got Flare up 6%. Uniswap had a good week, up 9.25%. Injective having a great week, up over 15%. I wonder if any Injective news came out. Let's check real quick. All right, live research here. Injective price set to skyrocket 33% on classic bullish signal. Okay, maybe there's a bullish signal in the chart. Let's check out the chart. All right, Injective. We'll check out the Binance chart. All right, so this is the daily chart. So it's been around for quite some time. Nothing crazy. 1,300 days. What's that? Like 3 years? 4 years? So they're talking about maybe a bullish pattern, a bullish sign here in the chart. Let's take out a fib. Let's see if we can spot any trends or movements that could potentially happen. So it got into the golden pocket. It looked to have rejected off of the top of the golden pocket here at about $31.45. If we zoom in a little bit. All right, so it's a pretty weak bull number versus a pretty weak bear number. So this candle is indecisive at the moment. Let's looking at market cipher B. That's good. Money flow is coming to the upside. You got VWAP heading down. That's not good. And RSIs, this purple and this green dot, are pretty separated. So the move isn't really going to be drastic in either direction. So looking at the candle, you can see how it has a wick equal size on both the top and the bottom. So it's pretty, it's consolidating around this zone. I'm going to have to wait for market cipher B to tell me something new, because what this looks like, the momentum wave right here on the daily chart, looks like it's about to peak out. See what happened last time? It got up here and started turning to the downside. We got that red dot. Looks like it wants to do the same thing. So we'll keep an eye on that. Maybe if we get, so this could happen. We could get something that happens back here where we get like a red dot, but then it's quickly followed up by a green dot because the trend reversed. And what happened in the chart there? What just happened? What just happened? I've never seen that happen before. First time for everything. All right, so what I was going to show you is if we look back here when we got like a green dot and then a red and then followed up very closely by a green dot, we saw the price increase about 37%. So if we see a similar move, let's pull it from the bottom here, 37%. We can get up to about right here, and that's about $36. 37% gain, pretty good on a major crypto. Injective's market cap is 2.7 billion. The peak of the bull market, I could definitely see Injective getting to like a 10 or 15 billion market cap. So we'll keep an eye on that for the future. And yeah, the rest of the movers are pretty flat. Nothing too crazy. All right, let's get into some news. So I saw this tweet. We talk about dBridge a lot on this channel. dBridge is one of my favorite places to bridge assets to and from blockchains. So the news that just came out is it's Arbitrum. Arbitrum is looking to pretty much remove gas fees if you are bridging using it. So dBridge Arb Horizon is now live. 1 million Arb tokens are now being distributed to users and dApps across the entire dBridge ecosystem. Here's what you need to know. Arb Horizon is a growth initiative aimed at driving usage of Arbitrum across users and builders. Over 12 weeks, we will distribute 1 million Arb tokens among users in the dBridge app. The team and the team that have integrated with dBridge widgets, dBridge API, or dPort. Zero cost bridging to Arbitrum. So if you're looking to get some Arbitrum altcoins or just Arbitrum, you can bridge over to Arbitrum and it will be 100% free. I love free bridging, and it's pretty cheap on dBridge in the first place. So if you're going to Arbitrum, that gas fee is going to be covered 100%. If you're going from Arbitrum to another blockchain, they'll cover half of your gas fee. I love it. And if you want to learn more, you can click the link and it'll bring you to probably a article about it. All right, let's keep going. We're going to get into this tweet later. I like big accounts. This guy's got 116,000 followers. I like accounts that do this. Loudest meme coin community right now, below 25 million market cap. So we're going to go in and see what communities are rating this post. All right, let's keep it going though. All right, so you saw the title. Massive upgrade for Cardano this month. Cardano's Age of Voltaire nears with major blockchain upgrade. You should never dismiss major blockchain upgrades. It's literally trying to fix or upgrade, let's say, a Boeing airplane as it's flying, because you can't just pause the blockchain, fix everything, and then start it back up. This is a 24/7 market. If you do that, it's going to cause chaos. People's buy orders and sell orders are going to get all wonky because the price is going to be moving. And if you turn off the blockchain, that's a big no-no. So they're going to upgrade the Cardano blockchain this month. It looks like June will be the month that Cardano node will reach 9.0. This means that Cardano is Shang fork ready and waiting for 70% of the SPOs to install the new node. Then a hard fork can occur, pushing Cardano into the age of Voltaire. The Shang upgrade will mark a pivotal moment for Cardano as it introduces crucial tools and infrastructure to support the age of Voltaire. The Voltaire era is set to provide the final elements needed to the network to achieve self-sustainability. Hoskinson commented, "It's the most significant milestone in the history of Cardano and for the industry as a whole. Cardano will be decentralized civilization spanning the entire world with millions of residents. We'll have the most advanced blockchain governance system, annual budgets, a treasury, and the wisdom of our entire community to guide us." So how will ADA react? While Hoskinson is focused on the technological strides made by the upgrade, obviously most Cardano holders want to know about the price. This year, ADA has emerged as one of the struggling large cap digital assets, briefly falling out of the top 10 digital assets by market cap at different points during the past month. And we've been covering that. While many traders perceive its current price of 0.4376, about 44 cents, as undervalued, the price performance of its rivals, such as Solana and Ethereum, has increased anxiety surrounding the Cardano project. However, Hoskinson still believes that Cardano's fundamentals remain robust, which would translate into a positive growth trajectory for the digital asset. So let's actually go look at this one too. He pretty much got these quotes from himself, or the person writing this article got those quotes from his tweet. So I'm not going to read those. Actually, I'll read this one. It's been nearly 10 years for some of us on this remarkable journey. I can't believe that I can't believe that in a single decade we built a nation. I'm proud of all of you. Cardano gives me hope for our industry and the world. Let's spread the next decade, making a big dent in the universe. So any Cardano holders in the chat, are you happy with this? Are you sad about it? Are you just you just want results? You just want to see the token price go up? I'm in both camps. If Cardano is better, that's great. I would be using the blockchain more. Right now, there is still a congestion issue within like wallets. If you submit 2 transactions within like 20, 30 seconds of one another, then it won't work. The transaction will pretty much just not exist. It will fail. So that would be a good upgrade. But if they're trying to upgrade the whole entire network, it should, like he says, bring self-sustainability. Should be like a well-oiled machine. He is more in the camp of like do the actual research and real world asset integrations and make sure that the blockchain actually withstands the test of time. So he's building it for the future. He's not building it for tomorrow. In other news, Iggy Azalea says Mother token can soon be used to buy phones. She turned into Saga 3.0. Monthly plans on the purported mobile service provider cost from $20 to $80 as of Monday. All right, so holders of singer Iggy Azalea's Mother token may soon be able to use the viral cryptocurrency to pay for phones and services from the Australian rapper's planned telecommunications company, adding utility to a token issued less than a month ago. All right, so she isn't just like a pump and dumper, like figured out how to create a token and then that's it. She's actually going above and beyond. She's now resurfacing her telecommunications company, and you're going to be able to talk to your friends and pay in Mother token. The development comes on the back of a Mother merchandise store announced last week, which contributed to a rally in the token at that time. So real quick, let's check out this piece of merch that you could have purchased. What do you guys think? Would you rock this shirt? I can't really zoom in too much, but it's $Mother. It's her saying, I love Solana. It's her butt. And it looks like she's hugging a Hello Kitty there. And it looks like the whole thing is on fire. Hey, why not? So it's 198 Mother tokens. So what is Mother currently trading at? So 18 cents. And what was it? 180? 198. Let's just say 200. I have a calculator on my phone or on my desktop here. So 200 plus 0.18. Let's do the correct 200 times 0.18. About $36. Not too bad. And essentially, if you got this at, like, if you buy it right down this minute, it's about $38, $36, whatever it was. But if you bought it down here, the shirt is essentially free, if you look at it that way. Pretty good performance on the token. From its inception, it's up 90,000%, sitting at 180 million market cap. So, hey, she is actually doing it. She is serious about this token and the utility that she wants to provide for it. So Iggy is experimenting with the idea of an online shop where merch must be paid in Mother. Bet there will be more interesting experiments. So yeah, be on the lookout for anything else coming out that you can potentially use mother to purchase stuff with. Oh, speaking of internet people, Roaring Kitty came out with a tweet 26 minutes ago. So yeah, he was a billionaire on paper, briefly, but I think the price of GME is continuing to fall. It's down 15% today, sitting at about $24. But yeah, what do you guys think about this whole situation? Do you think he is panicking behind his persona that he's portraying online, or do you think he's sitting calm, cool, and collective? This was 16 hours ago, about Sunday night. He's holding like the Roaring Kitty mask or something like that. So yeah, we'll see what happens with GME. I don't believe the story is done yet. Because where was it? Breaking. GameStop shorts have now crossed even the 2021 highs. He's testing them, says Jumper DC World. Yeah, I believe so too. I believe he's playing 4D chess. He's got aces up his sleeves. He's got Uno cards. He's got wild cards. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. At a time when Roaring Kitty has put a massive long bet via options, back in 2021, a lot of shorts got hurt as GME ran up from $10 to $120 in just 10 days. Are we about to see another big short squeeze? Beastmaster says, Gummy token on ADA is what you guys need to hold. They are building utility for their NFTs that they are in the process of working on. And Nancy Kirk says, the dude has got ice in his veins. I believe so. To be that up on a position and live stream to 600,000 plus people and to be sipping beer, pulling out his Magic 8-ball, I think the man is onto something, and we're going to find out here soon. All right. These are my likes. So what do you guys think about 2020 Ethereum versus 2024 Solana? So this crypto Curb came out with this little fractal for ETH and Solana. So we look at the left side, that's 2020 pre-launch compression channel. And then he's looking at Solana now in its current state, pre-launch compression channel. So could we see a similar type run on Solana that we saw on Ethereum back in 2020? So, I mean, yeah, we went from right as it broke out at around $370, and now we're sitting at $3,600. So that's about a 10x. So can we see Solana do a 10x from here? Let's see. Let's go to a good old trading view. Go on to the Solana chart. Well, let's go out to the weekly. So actually, I don't know if this is the, let's go here. Yeah, they have a little bit more history on the Binance chart. So if we get a 10x here on Solana, we're looking at like 1,600 and $2, $4. That's what that would look like if we got up to $1,600 Solana. Do you think we can get up that high on Solana? I mean, we already ran from about $18, $8, $9 up to currently. We peaked out at $210. Could you see us doing a 10x from these current this current market? I mean, it does get cuckoo in the bull market, parabolic moves. You wake up and you see all these like 30, 40, 50% gains. Do you think that can happen again this cycle around? Or do you think it's more of like the newer coins that are going to have their day in the sun and all these old blockchains are just going to perform well? They're not going to do any more like spectacular 50Xs. I would damn near be sure that Ethereum is not going to do a 50x. It could maybe do like a 10x in the next 6 years, get up to like $30,000, $36,000. But we're probably going to get up to maybe like a 10, 15K Ethereum, or maybe like on the low end, maybe 8K. What do you guys think? Stellar Lumens and IBM Sun. $500 to $600 Solana, says Dirty Dan. So if it's a $500 to a $600 Solana, that'd be like a 3x from here, 4x from here. That seems more realistic. I would agree with that. However, obviously I would like $1,000 plus Solana. My bags would be looking nice. But having these price targets in mind is a good way to keep yourself humbled with, $1,600 is like the moon parabolic blow off top number. But a more realistic number is between maybe like $500 to $1,000. And I could see myself, because you gotta keep this in mind. Like, when are you going to take profits? When are you going to sell these assets? Because they don't go up forever. Clearly, they don't go up forever. They have their cycles. This was the time, obviously, to accumulate. Now is the time to ride the wave. Maybe we get up to the $500-$600 range, and then it comes crashing down. We have to prepare ourselves. We have to be ready to see where these tokens can potentially go, kind of off of the backs of Bitcoin. Everyone's saying 100K. Obviously, we got to get to 80K first. But then after 100K, people are saying 150K. Those are potential numbers. I mean, that's only like a 2.5x from here. So if 2.5x for Bitcoin, maybe we could see this being like a 3-4x. BNB is already at all-time highs, so maybe another 2-3x for BNB. Solana 3-4x. XRP a 1x. It's just going to be 50 cents forever. I'm just kidding. I hope XRP holders, all of them out there, actually can make money off of this crypto, because it's been doing pretty much nothing. We had that little, all right, they won their lawsuit. Where was that in the chart? You would say is right here. They won their lawsuit. But what happened? Everybody was ready to dump. Everyone was like, finally, I could get rid of these tokens because I don't want them anymore. And now we're just back down to consolidation area. At least we're forming support at around 47, 50 cents. Nicole says 5% every little bit after initial investment has been taken out. Perfect. You build up your bag, you get your initial investment out. Now you're just playing with house money and taking out 5% here and there. You are securing your gains and making sure that you're never going to go negative, because you pulled out your initial and you're taking 5% off the top every single, maybe like 30, 50, 100% gain. That's a good strategy. Let's be honest. One dude holds all the XRP. It's garbage, says Jumper DC World. I am curious what the holder distribution of XRP is. Do they must have an XRP scan. Let's just type this in. Top 100 XRP richest addresses. All right, perfect. So it looks like we have the highest holder is 5%, but it must be one of the Ripple Foundation's addresses, wallets, because this is very evenly distributed. 5%, 5%, 5%, 5%, 5%, 5%, and then 4%, and then about 2%, 16%, or 1.6%. So interesting numbers, metrics. Yeah, I mean, Ripple's 11th wallet, Ripple's 10th, 9th, 26th, 27th. So they definitely own most of the supply. And then we get into like Binance, Uphold, Kraken, Bitbank, Upbit. And then it looks like we're starting to get into Chris Larson. So Chris Larson, who is Chris Larson? Why is that name familiar? Who is Chris Larson? He is a business executive and angel investor. And he's worth over $1 billion. I mean, just on his XRP position. Let's see. He owns 1% there, 2% there, 2.5%. 2.5% of the total supply. That's a lot. It's a lot for him. Then you get into Binance, Coin One. Oh, there's another Chris Larson address. Crypto.com, BitHum, KuCoin. So you really see the top holders being either Ripple or exchanges, and then Chris Larson. Wasn't Chris Larson one of the original people in Ripple? Yeah, that's why his name is familiar. He was the original CEO back in 2016, and he has a big chunk of the XRP supply. And that's it. Now it's popping. It's clicking in my brain. He holds a significant position, and we're just waiting for him to sell off his position so he wouldn't pretty much manipulate the price anymore. So we'll see. We'll see if he finally gets rid of all of his tokens. Yeah. He was his foundation gave him $25 million, largely in XRP, and this was back in 2019. And the price of XRP back in 2019, let's see, 2019. So back here, so he was up 500%. So was that like 100 million? And now he's up around 60%. So I mean, he's just sitting on this money on this XRP. So. Yeah, get him out, and then we could maybe have more gains for XRP in the future. All right, let's see what else I got for you guys. Yeah, so I would love to see that for Sol, but more realistically, I could see $500, $600, $700 Solana. All right, let's keep it going. Hey, there's Hannah. All right, so Andrew Tate has been going crazy on his the real world, trying to get crypto normies to get into the real world so he can pump their bags. So here's a little video. I won't play the whole thing because it's about 4 or 5 minutes long, but he's creating his own token. And the first people that are going to get it are the people in the real world. And it's going to be free. They're going to get it for free because his whole message is he doesn't want his fans to lose money. So essentially, if they get into the real world group, they're going to be allocated different amounts of this token, and he'll go into it.
We should link the amount of tokens you get in an airdrop to your status within the real world. Members of the council will get the most. You can join the council via the courses tab. Then, of course, we will have kings, rooks, bishops, knights. You will all get a base allocation. This means that if you're a knight, you should work as hard as possible to become a bishop, to work as hard as possible to become a rook, to work as hard as possible to become a king, because you know the day this imaginary project comes true, you will be rewarded for all of that hard work in cold, hard cash. Next, your power level should also give you a separate airdrop. You should have an airdrop based on your rank and an airdrop based on your power level. I have told people that power levels are going to become extremely important inside of the real world. Power levels are based on you interacting with and helping your other students. I want you to help the other people. We are a community. We are a team. We are not degens. We are a team.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What did he just say?
Team. We are not degens.
Get him out of here. Get him out of here. This is Degen Alpha, my guy. Of course we're degens. I would argue that most people in crypto are degens, and people that you want in the real world are most likely going to be degens. I'm just joking, but all right. So Jumper DC World is wanting me to look at Maz, proof of work chain. All right. First, I'm going to search it on CoinMarketCap. Maz. All right. Is this the proof of work chain you're referring to? Maz. Maze. All right, we're sitting at 11.55 million market cap. CoinMarketCap has not verified the project's market cap, so keep that in mind. Volume is pretty decent, $318,000. All-time chart is looking like a rug pull. Let's maybe zoom out because, okay, last year looks like a rug pull. What is this token you want me to look at, man? It got up to $162 for a day and a half. Maze. Let's check out on like Dex Screener. Let's see. This looks like it. 4 hour. I mean, this looks more legit than what CoinMarketCap is showing me. Let's go back though and let's go to their website. That's it, he says. All right, future ready blockchain, today's speed. Fast, secure, private. So another privacy. Maz is a layer 1 blockchain that redefines performance through a proof-of-work based DAG architecture, achieving 40,000 transactions per second and 1 second finality. Experience EVM-compatible smart contracts and unparalleled privacy with ZK proofs. So they're building on the back of zero-knowledge proofs. All right. Advanced tech at the core. Okay. Financial sector transformation. All right. Who's behind this project? Where's the team? I want to see who built it. FAQ. What is it? What's the purpose? What characterizes? What's the benefit? All right, so that's kind of a red flag. They're not telling me who built it. Let's go to their X. Decent amount of followers. I'm going to have to see it in action to believe it because everyone can promise that many transactions. But if you have hundreds of thousands of degens trading meme coins on your network, this could very quickly become 10 transactions per second, and it gets all congested. So you're speculating on the future of this project, but what I'm concerned about is they're not letting me know who built it, unless I'm blind. Help center, terms of service, legal contact. Do they have like a LinkedIn? No. Telegram. Career. All right, so they're hiring TikTok content creators, Telegram moderators, marketing lead. So everything to get their project out into the spotlight. That's who they're hiring for right now. I guess that's good. At least they're not hiring like a Solidity dev so they can actually build it. Maybe they already have it built. But maybe let's go on to LinkedIn. I never know how to spell LinkedIn. Can I just go on without like searching, or am I have to like sign up? I am bearish on sites that make you sign up so you can't even look at the content. I mean, I could surf X without being logged in. Degen Alpha, take a look at AXGT. I already made a ton of money on this coin, but left a third of my original position as a moon bag for when things get heated. It dropped way down from my first sell. Singularity Net, is that what that is? AXGT. Oh yeah, this is Exxon Government's DAO. All right, so they're forming some support, low after low. That's unfortunate. This is a DSi token, though. So Joshua Jake, I believe, was talking about this token a few months ago. Website's not working, though. That's not good. Site cannot be reached. Let's refresh again. You know what? Let's go to their Twitter and then see if that could take us to their website. Waiting. This is not good. The website doesn't want to load. All right. That's not good. I'll try again. I don't know what to tell you. The website doesn't work. All right. Well, they're building the future of DSi. NVIDIA AI Inception official AXGT token updates are on their Telegram channel. Yeah, I mean, if you got in early on their pre-sale, you more than likely made money. Good that you took out your original investment and you're just left with a moon bag. I believe that decentralized science is not going to just disappear. I believe that it's still being discussed amongst. I mean, it's a major category now. I believe categories. I believe it is. DSi should be here somewhere. I thought I saw it. Categories. There it is. All right, so these are the top DSi projects currently. We have Oregon Trail, Dynex, Hypocrite, Research Coin. Where's AGX? There's AGIX or AXGT. I'm thinking of Singularity. Let's see. What do you guys think about DSi? Do you think it's an emerging category trend that's going to be a significant mover in crypto? A new trend, new category that you could see potentially 10, 50, 100% gains? Maybe. I mean, look at these market caps. This is the biggest one I see, 341 million. But you got 68 mil, 64 mil, 23, 19, 16, 3, 1 mil. Not even 200K. So a lot of these are very small. And then some of these are self-reported. Noble Blocks, Noble. I got into this one. They had a big hack with their vesting contract. Not them. It was, I believe, Hedgy was the platform that got hacked. And Noble Blocks was using Hedgy to pretty much every month the pre-sale people were able to like withdraw their tokens. So I guess they got hacked, and you could see where they got hacked in the chart. Okay, let's go to the 1 year. Yeah, right there is where they got hacked. Unfortunate. They were heading up. They were heading in the right direction, and then they got hacked, and they really haven't been able to catch some traction since. Hopefully it's bottomed, and we can see some gains in the future. 1.5 million market cap. They're building, what are they building? Let's see if this website works. A decentralized platform for scientific publishing. So you don't have to deal with centralized scientists who get funded to do the research, and they're pretty much pointed in the direction that they want the results to be in. So if it's decentralized, if it's everybody and anybody that's submitting information, data, research, then decentralized is a way, to actually get what you want instead of being it centralized. Yeah, Noble Blocks, I do agree they have a good vision. It was just unfortunate they got hacked. So price-wise, not good. Project-wise and what they're doing and what they stand for is good. All right. I want to get to that one tweet and see if we can find any bangers. And nobody comes close to Market Cypher's traders. Jason Casper. I wish I saw this live. I don't know what he's doing with a plunger, but I'm a Market Cypher user, and I'm a crypto degen. So Maybe you'll see my face up there on Crypto Face's X account. Maybe I'll get like a Mario hat or a Luigi hat, and maybe not a plunger, maybe like a baseball bat or something. Like I'm gonna, whatever. All right, let's keep it going. Where is that one tweet I liked? All right, here we go. Loudest community, loudest meme coin community under 25 million. Go. All right, selfie community is blowing speakers right now. 3.5K, 137 likes. All right, this one's in the lead so far, but I only saw one. No hat. Okay, no hat. So we saw a dog with hat. What about dog with no hat? 2K, 115 likes. Decent. Then we got Elon Sun, CTO, base team, and community. And it's a 22K market cap. Very, very small. Weirdo on base. Not too much. What is this one? Cooler. But let's look at selfie. Selfie dog. All right. Doesn't come up on Dex Screener. Let's try Dex Tools. Gotta always prove I'm a human. All right, selfie. Does it come up here? All right, liquidity 812,000. Volume 2.39 million. This one's most likely it. 15 million market cap. Oh, wow. All right, so what this token is telling me is no one wants to sell it below this line. That's good. It had its initial run up, and then its fall, and then we're consolidating here. So I would wait for something like that. We're on one of these up trends. So if it peaks past there, then I'd say it's gonna maybe head up to all-time high. But what I can more realistically do for it to do is what I just drew out. It kind of floating in this range and either dying or it survives. That's obviously the risk you take with these tokens. If you are in early, that's one thing. Then you're most likely going to make gains. Obviously, if it's a popular meme coin, people are buying it, there's a lot of volume. Otherwise, then you're just creating a token, or the token is just not going to do anything. But let's see their actual socials. So they joined in May. So last month, 3,600 followers. No one I follow follows them. So none of the Degens in my circle are aware of Selfie Dog. Their pin tweet, probably when it launched, May 21. Got 34K views. So their views and their engagement is pretty decent. 4K there, 164 likes. 5.9K, 5.8. So their socials is not bad. But yeah, none of the Degens I follow Selfie Dog. Let's now look at the holder count. Let's see if there's any manipulation going on. And this is on Solana. So let's go over to SolScan. All right, I'll go over to holders. All right, so Radium, that's good. 2.67% of the supply. But then you've got a bunch of people that own more than 1%. Ooh, this could be risky. Could be risky because you don't know if they're just going to dump it and pretty much delete the project off the face of the earth. It's not like it's anything that is outstanding. It's a dog with a phone taking a selfie. So you could literally just Photoshop a phone in front of a dog and call it a selfie. So as far as memes go, like, woo, it's a dog with a phone. It's not going to get the masses to like, oh my God, it's a dog with a phone. However, if it was wearing a hat, that'd be a different story, okay? All right, so let's go back to the chart. So today it's up 57%. So I would be looking to see if those whales are going to take profit or any of these people are going to dump some tokens. The largest holder owns 266,000. So what's the liquidity? So he pretty much owns a fourth of the liquidity. That's not good. And there's multiple people that own over 200K, just about 200K. Let's go to 40. So there is a lot of whales in this project. So I would be cautious. I mean, it's always the case with these tokens. You have to look at the holders. You have to see the potential for them to dump the tokens. And then you got to kind of assess the risk you're willing to take with a token like this. It had its initial excitement and run up. What is that gain? Let's see. 68,000%. So look at it this way. You took the risk early on. It paid off. Now you're out of the coin, but obviously it's still living. It's still active. From its low to its high, that was 128%. So if it falls, maybe put $50 in so you can make $100. There's probably better opportunities out there, but they were the most loudest on this person's post. Let's see if there's any other bangers. Let's check out No Hat. Why not? No Hat. We know about the dog with a hat, but what about the dog with no hat? All right, 3.12 million. The token looks pretty dead. Looks just like the rest. Had a bunch of excitement. Got a whole bunch of people to get in. Ran up 1,900%. And we're now down 90% from where it peaked out at. So this one, kind of just like the rest. If you feel like you can make a little bit of money off of these type of moves, if you got in at the bottom here and you sold right now, that's 65% gain. That's not bad at all. If you want these bigger moves, you're going to have to be in meme coins at the moment because Solana, I mean, it did pretty much like a 10x already, a 15x already. So like we're speculating maybe get to like $600. So what's that, like a 3x from here? Whereas any of these meme tokens can give you tens of thousands of percent gains if you get in early. If you get into like Andrew Tate's The Real World, you get allocated tokens for free. So there's always that opportunity. Let's see if there's any others that look interesting. All right, so Cat2. Everyone wants to make a Elon token or a dog token. This one's unique. Weirdo on base. Our mission is to onboard the next 69,420,000 weirdos to base. They are less than 1% there, so they're going to have some work cut out for them. Let's check out the token, though. Let's just type it in. Maybe it'll just come up. Weirdo. Did I spell it right? Is it I before E? All right, so this one's on base. Weirdo. 694 liquidity. This one looks correct. 10.8 million market cap. I mean, guys, how many freaking meme coins have I looked at that are above a 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 million dollar market cap? These things are just spawned from people's basements. My basement. No, I'm just kidding. But if you got in early, it's not even that big of a gain. I say that and it's 573%, but that really doesn't make too much sense. I bet whales are hoarding this coin. So let's take the contract address. Let's head over to BaseScan. Basescan.org. Copy the token address. All right. Token tracker. And we're going to go to holders. All right. So the contract holds about 10%, and this contract holds 3.67, and then the biggest holder is 1.86%, and that is $200,000. And what was the liquidity? We were on Dex Screener. Liquidity is 694K. Looks like total locked liquidity is 46.5%. I'm not really sure what UNC. What is this? Interesting. I haven't seen anything like that. UNCX. And it brought me to this page. UNCX network. Are you guys familiar with this? I've seen this type of graphic before, but I'm unfamiliar with this. Manage lot. Okay. All right. So you can participate in the liquidity by managing your allocation to the pool. If you want, you can allocate Weirdo and Wrapped ETH and gain on the fees generated from buying and selling. Interesting. But I don't like this token simply because it didn't pump over 1,000% or 10,000%, and it's already at an 11 million market cap. I mean, for it to do a 10x, it had to get to 100 million. I mean, that just seems boring, especially when we're looking at tokens that go up 60,000, 90,000%. Yeah, so I'm going to avoid this one. Avoid. All right, just look down at the top of the time. It's 1:33, so my time is done here. I hope you guys enjoyed this stream. We're always DJing meme coin hunting on here, checking out some partnerships, seeing what Iggy Azalea is doing and Hosky is doing with his whole entire network. And we got Iggy Azalea that is trying to put phones in her holders' pockets. So we'll see how that works out. Maybe it's the next iPhone, and she's going to revolutionize the telecommunications industry. We'll see. All right, folks, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you being here. Smash that like on your way out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, be blessed and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Take care.